Facing a domestic violence charge can be overwhelming, but knowing what to expect can help you navigate the legal process more effectively. In this video, I'll walk you through the typical procedures for domestic violence cases in California so you can understand and be better prepared. My name's Hieu. I'm a criminal defense attorney here based in Orange County, California. With extensive experience in handling domestic violence cases, I'm here to guide you through the legal process and help you understand each step involved. If you're facing a domestic violence charge, it's crucial to have knowledgeable legal representation. Contact me today and together we'll develop a defense strategy tailored to your situation, aiming for the best possible outcome. Every domestic violence arrest starts with the incident and then the arrest. The process typically begins with an arrest by law enforcement officers who have probable cause to believe that domestic violence has occurred. This means the police must have a reasonable basis to think that a crime was committed. Once this happens, you get arrested, you get booked, you bond out, and then after that, you have what they call an arraignment hearing. An arraignment hearing, which is the first court date. During this hearing, the charges are formally presented to you and the defendant enters a plea of guilty, not guilty, or no contest. In many cases, the court issues a criminal protective order to protect the alleged victim. This order may include provisions that restrict the defendant's contact with the victim and can have implications for child custody arrangements. Before the trial, there may be several pretrial hearings where evidence is exchanged between the defense and prosecution. During this phase, motions can be filed to challenge the admissibility of evidence or to seek dismissal of charges. Finally, if the case proceeds to trial, both sides present the evidence and arguments. The prosecution must prove the defendant's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The defense can challenge the credibility of witnesses, present alternative explanations, and highlight inconsistencies in the prosecution's case. If the defendant is found guilty or enters a guilty plea, the court will impose a sentence. Penalties for domestic violence convictions can include fines, probation, mandatory counseling or anger management programs, and potential jail time. After a conviction, there may be options to appeal the decision to seek expungement of the conviction from the defendant's record, depending on the circumstances. Remember, understanding the domestic violence case procedure can help you navigate the legal system more effectively. Having experienced legal representation can make a difference in the outcome of your case. To recap, the typical procedure for a domestic violence case in California includes the arrest, arraignment, issuance of a protective order, pretrial proceedings, trial, sentencing, and finally, post-conviction options. If you're confronting a domestic violence charge, don't face it alone. Contact me today and we'll work together to protect your rights and future.